Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in and ready. Start now by pausing backup and sync so deleted files won't return. On the web, use Photos. Google.com. On mobile, open the Photos app. Next, switch to the Albums or Photos view and sort by date or size to target big items first. Once done, long press or click to select multiple images. Choose a mix of screenshots, duplicates, and videos. This initial selection saves time and prevents accidental complete wipeouts while you continue. Now you execute the heavy lifting. Select ranges with Shift plus click on desktop or drag to select on mobile for fast bulk picks. Use the search box to filter screenshots or videos, then select all visible results. This targets high-space items quickly. Make sure to review selections, uncheck anything you want to keep. After hitting delete, remember these go to trash. Don't stop here. Empty trash to permanently free cloud space, and make sure device copies are removed if you chose cloud-only deletions. Finish by using storage management suggestions in Google Photos to catch large, blurry, and similar photos. Follow the prompts to remove them. Then confirm device folders, downloads, WhatsApp images are cleared if you intended to remove local copies. Once satisfied, re-enable backup and sync so new photos are saved normally. Make sure to set desired folders to backup. If something reappears, check other signed-in devices or shared albums. Removing from the original source solves most resync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.